I'm going to show you how to create the coupon using the perfect coupons and how to apply it to specific categories. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So once you press create coupon here, or you can edit your existing coupon by pressing this button here, but we'll go ahead and do a brand new coupon. So here we go, create new coupon, choose your layout. I'm going to do food. I'll do a pizza slice. Remember, these are templates, so it doesn't actually give $12 off. This is just to give you an idea of what it will look like or what it can look like. So when I press next, now I get to choose how much discount and all that stuff to give. So I'm going to say 5% off. Leave it the way it is, okay? So the main part we want to focus on is how this coupon gets applied. So as you can see from here, it says choose how the coupon discount gets applied. So in this case, you want to do category right here. See? So let's say you want to give a discount on the pizza 10-inch category. So you have all these different pizza 10 inches, and you want the coupon to give 5% off only if they buy all the pizzas within this category, right? Then you do it this way. Let's say you want to give a discount to only a specific item. Let's say I want to give a discount to let me see what I have here, juice, okay? So it'll give a discount only to this item. Okay, let's say you want to give a discount to multiple categories, okay? Let's say you have 3 categories. So the way to do that is a little bit trickier. You have to go to your Clover inventory app, make a new category, and then put all those items within that category, and then come back here again and then choose that category. So let's say you want to apply to this category, this category, this category. Go to your Clover POS inventory app, make a new category called 3 category special, whatever you want to call it. Put all those items that are in here, here, and there into that one category, and then come back here again, refresh the page, and then choose that category. So it applies to that 3 category special you have, okay? Because you can't choose more than one category, but what you can do is you can put all those items within that category from Clover. All right, and once you do that, remember, and also if you want to accept the coupons on your website, they only get applied to the subtotal, okay? It's only subtotal. But if you want to get the coupons applied on your station or in your POS from the actual physical location, then you can do these 2 options. But if you're doing it from the website, then it has to be on the subtotal. All right, hopefully this video proved helpful. Thank you for your time.